Hello friends, in this video we will see another problem based on the alphabet test. So this problem is little bit different compared to the previous problems. The first one, the question is, in a queue, Aman is 10th from front, 10th from the front, while while Mukund Mukund is 25th from behind, from behind, and Mohan is just in the just in the middle of the two, just in the middle of the two. If there are if there are 50 persons 50 persons in the queue, so what position does what position does Mohan occupy from the front, from the front? Okay, so in a queue is there, Aman is 10th from the front while Mukund is 25th from the behind. Okay, and Mohan is just in the middle of the two. If there are 50 persons in the queue, so let us assume there is a queue is there, and this length of this queue is what? 50. The length of this queue is what? 50. The total length of this queue is 50 persons. So this is, let us assume, front, and this is behind. Okay, this is behind. So in a queue, Aman is 10th from the front. So let us assume Aman is 10th from the front. So 10th from the front. So somewhere here, 10th position, Aman is there, right? So this position is Aman. And Mukund is 25th from the behind. So that means Mohan is 25th from the behind. So somewhere here, from this direction, Mohan is at 25th. So this one is 25th and Mohan is here. Mohan is here. So, and just in the middle of the two, the middle of the two, somewhere here, the middle of the two, the Mohan is there. Mohan is here. Somewhere between the two, the Mohan is here. And we have to find the position does Mohan occupy. We have to find the position he is occupying, right? So total 25 is there, right? So from here to here, it is 10, right? And from here to here, it is 25. So that means the total 35 is over. So total 35 is over. So the remaining is how many? 15 people are there. So that means in between 10 to 25. That means in between Aman and Mohan. Sorry, this is Mukund. The Mukund is at 25 positions from the behind, right? This is Mukund, right? So the between Aman and Mukund, how many people left? 15 people are there between. So Aman and Mukund, 15 people are there in the Aman and Mukund. So if 15 people are there between 10 and 25, that is Aman and Mukund, so he is at the middle of the 15. So that means the 15 can be divided in such a way, 7 and 7 in between 1. Okay, so that means 10 plus 7, 17 plus 1, 18. So that means what position does Mohan occupy from the front? So he occupies 18th position. 18th position. He occupies 18th position from the front. Okay, so here 10 is there, 25, 35 is over. So in between Aman and Mukund, 15 people are there. So the 15 can be divided like 7, 1 and 7. So here 7 is there, 7 is there. So in between actually Mohan is occupied that position, right? And it is from the question it is clear that he is middle of the two, right? 7, 7 and middle one is the 8th position. That means that is going to be 10 plus 7. 17 plus 1, 18. So the Mohan is at 18th position from the front. So I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video and please subscribe my channel.